Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you what are bridge pages, why you need them. I'm going to give you one example of bridge page. I'm going to show you how to set up your own bridge page for the one funnel away challenge. So I'm just going to keep this video short and we're going to jump into my computer, and as you can see here we have the one funnel away challenge bridge page that I use for myself. And you can see here I present the bonuses that you get when you enroll in the one funnel away challenge. So if you're going to use this page as well, these are going to be the bonuses that ClickFunnels gives. So if you enroll in the one funnel away challenge, this is what you get, and then plus your bonuses. And then why do you need a bridge page? You can, if you're a beginner, you would think like, I can just send people to my affiliate link. So you get the affiliate link, and if somebody registers with your affiliate link, you get a commission. But that's not the right way to do it. You need to build a list, and you need an autoresponder in order to store these contacts, these emails, so that you can reach out to these people afterwards. If they just go through the link and they don't buy, you can just send them messages and remind them to go to the page, because the majority of those who will buy, they're not going to buy from the first time. So you want to make sure that you keep retargeting them with emails and maybe with ads if you have a pixel, but that's for another video. And then you want to have your bonuses as well. So not only the bonuses that ClickFunnels gives for enrolling in the one funnel away challenge. For example, if your product is OFA, which is the one that I recommend at the moment that you promote, because the CPA is $100. So if you sign up somebody for the one funnel away challenge, you're going to get $100. And if you sign up with me, that's all the bonuses that you get. You can find this on the page that I'm going to give you, nickwords.com/OFA. And then you can change all this information here, like put in your bonuses. And if you have your own bonuses, maybe you have your own courses, or you want to give something different, but you can use this page for yourself. And then I'm going to show you how you should set up it, because I have a checklist. I made a checklist so that you don't skip any steps. So the first thing is to get a ClickFunnels account, because this page I made, it's stored in ClickFunnels. And then you can get your account here. Then you need to click on this share funnel link. And after you do that, it's gonna be imported in your ClickFunnels account, and then you're gonna go to the funnel that was imported in ClickFunnels funnels, and then you're gonna be able to see it. It's gonna be Nick's OFA bridge page. So this is it. And then you're gonna need to change a couple of things. First, the domain. So go here, top right corner to settings, and then you're gonna go to choose the domain. For me, it's nickwords.com, and then put the path. I put OFA because it's the easiest way to just name it. And then go to the domain, like to the step, and then change here. Click on this icon and change the path here as well, so that you don't have numbers here, because usually if you're just importing a page, it's gonna have numbers like OFA, something like this. But you want to keep it simple and short so that people find it easily. And then after you do this, you need to change publishing here as well. So change the path here as well to OFA, but it's not required. And then go to edit page. And here's a couple of steps that you need to do. First, you need to integrate an autoresponder. I have a video about how to integrate Aweber and then ActiveCampaign. I'm gonna put it somewhere here in the corner so that you can see it. And then after you did that, you can change your name. You should change your name, because it's you who will get the signups, and people need to have a relationship with you. People need to know whom they're buying from. So here's where you change your name, and it's really easy to do on this page. So here's what you're gonna get from me. So on this page, after I presented what you get from ClickFunnels, here you change your name, and then you change your bonuses. So the next step on the checklist is change the bonuses. So if you sign up with me with ClickFunnels, you can use the same bonuses, and when somebody signs up with your link, you're gonna send me a message and I'm gonna send them the bonuses. So all these bonuses, you can use them for yourself. So imagine the value that I'm giving here in the one funnel away. You don't need to create your own bonuses. You can use my own to get ClickFunnels signups, and you're gonna get the commission. And then the next step is change the policies at the bottom. So as you can see here, we have this thing, which some people call it legal junk. So you need to click on it and change the links. So here you click this settings, and then you can change the link. So click on this blue icon, and you need to put the link. So for me, I made it really simple. It's nickcourse.com/terms for terms of service, and then /privacy for privacy. So you need to change these for you as well, and then change your support email. So I put my support email to be here as well, so that people can reach out to me. And also one thing to change is the send to messenger. So I recommend that you talk with people personally, so that you tell them what this one funnel away challenge is about. And if you don't know what this is about, I made a video about it yesterday. It should be in the description below. And then you need to find your messenger link. So to do that, you need to go to messenger, and then slash and put your name. So you should have a code. For me, it's Nick Ursu, right? So Nick Ursu, that's for me. But for you, it should be like your name that you have for Facebook and for Messenger as well. It's the same name. And then you copy this name, and then you go and click on the image in the one funnel away challenge. This is bridge page, and then you click on the link URL, and then you need to change this messenger. And when people will click on it, their messenger app will pop up, and they will be able to reach out to you. And that's pretty much it. You need to also change the email here. So change the email. I already set up the countdown, so countdowns, and so you can only register to the challenge until March 24th at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And then when somebody clicks on this button, so if we test the page and somebody clicks on this button, a pop-up will appear, and you collect the name and email of the person who is registering. That's how you will know whom to message if they don't buy, for example. Or when you have different other offers, you know they were interested in one funnel away challenge and you have their email, now you can send them something else. For example, hey, get the .com secrets book, it's gonna help you. By the way, I read that book and it's amazing and you should check it out. And here you only need to you don't need to change anything here, only change the link. So you need to go here. You can click on this link where it says affiliates.clickfunnels.com/OFA affiliate center, and this will open up, and you will need to copy this link and paste it instead of my own link. So you will change settings, general. Okay, so on submit, go to, and then change this link. So you paste the new link, which is your own, and that's how you are gonna get the commission when somebody goes to your own bridge page. And you're gonna build a list. So yeah, that's it. So now how do you get this bridge page from me? You need to go to nickcourse.com/CMC. That's my course, that's ClickFunnels Mastery course, and it's in beta right now. You don't need to pay for it. You just register and you're gonna be able to have access to this page, and you're gonna be able to click on the link there and watch this video. I'm gonna put it in the course, and then you're gonna have the page and the instruction to how to set it up, and you're ready to make your own commissions. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. There should be a link below for Messenger, for my own Messenger. You can reach out to me if you want to register to the one funnel away challenge with me, and you're gonna get all these bonuses that you can find on the page nickcourse.com/OFA. And I hope you give it a like to this video, and then I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.